Hey everybody, before I get into this I just want to say at 1,000 subscribers I will be doing a giveaway, so go down below, hit that button. And one more thing, go down below, hit that link in the description to lanierjigs.com and use our coupon code FreedomFishing10 to get 10% off your next order. Alright, so I will be showing you how to clean a rod. You know, most people are probably like, you don't need to clean a rod, but in this video I will show you that you can, and you will. So first things first, before I tell you what to do, you need to get some Q-tips. Q-tips are the main thing. Also, I like to use Real Magic. It is a line conditioner, but you can use it on a rod too. And that's all you need. The first thing you want to do is just wipe it down with a towel. So after you do that, you're going to want to grab the Real Magic and you're going to want to spray every single eyelid. I like to start from the bottom and go up. And then, I like to go from the top down. And then I'll grab a Q-tip. And I'll just get every eyelid, every guide. And I'll rotate it. And if it gets dirty, I will change the Q-tip. And what this is going to do is it's going to keep your guides clean, so your line will go through them easier and smoother, which will create a farther cast and a smoother cast. And you don't have to do this very often. You just have to do this every once in a while. The number one is to get to the top one. The top one is the number one. And once I do that, I'm going to use the Real Magic one more time. You can get this at Walmart or Academy, and I will get it. And that's basically it. After that, I'll cast it once in the yard, and I'll call it a day with this rod right here. I know it was a quick video, but I just wanted to get that out there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.